Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your AT&T eSIM QR code. So if you are looking for your AT&T eSIM QR code, then this guide is going to show you the different ways that you can get one for the new activation when switching the devices. So first of all, if you are ordering a new AT&T eSIM, the easiest option is to request it during the online checkout process. Depending on your device, AT&T may activate the eSIM digitally without requiring a QR code, while some of the phones will still use one during the setup. Now, if you already have an AT&T account, you just have to basically need a replacement eSIM. Then you need to sign in into your My AT&T account and select your wireless line, and you just have to choose the option like replace to eSIM or basically update to SIM. And if your device supports QR code based activation, then AT&T is going to provide you the necessary further instructions. You can also visit any of the AT&T retail store where a representative can generate a new eSIM QR code for you, and they can help you transfer your existing number to the eSIM if it is needed. So these are some of the ways with the help of which you can get an AT&T eSIM QR code. I hope this guide helped you out. Thanks for watching.